continue gisting with you guys. Someone asked me on a comment section that
don't rush, a little crush, don't need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush.
hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you. May God Almighty continue to bless you all. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so beautiful. You guys are so lovely for always coming back to support me. Oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you all. Today's video, oh my goodness, you know, I'll be having problems on editing my video guys. You know, I'm used to editing my video with my computer guys. So lately my computer have been giving me a lot of problem. You know, I went to get another one for myself, but I was not really okay with it guys. You know, when you are used to something, I think it's very hard to change from it, you know. So that's why guys, so I've told a lot of people that I'm having problem on how to edit my video. They all say you can use your phone to edit your video. Yes, I know, but I'm not too good in using my phone to edit my video guys. But today guys, oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, rejoicing. I don't know how to put the word guys, because I'm a fan of Apple. You know, I love using anything called Apple. That is me for you. I don't really know how to use Samsung. I don't know, but I do have Samsung. You know, I have Samsung, but I don't really know how to use it the way I use my iPhone guys. Anything called Apple, that is me for you. I'm always there guys, you know. So ever since I've been trying to use another computer that is not from Apple, you know, I don't know how to put the word, but it's so hard for me to use guys. That is it guys. So guys, I'm so happy today because I've gotten another one for myself guys. So I've been using, you know, I can't really do without computer. You know, I don't know how to put the word. Using phone to edit my video has always been a problem for me because I don't really get a good application. I don't know, lots of people said there's good application on phones. I don't know, but I'm not really good at that. So I've been using this to edit my video, you know. So it has been giving me a lot of problem guys. So you all know Apple is very expensive. You all know that. So I decided to go for this, you know, but it's not really helping matters at all, you know. So I decided to say, oh okay, I decided to go for my favorites. Yeah, that is it guys. So yeah, it is guys, we are going to be unboxing this together. You know, you all know I tell you everything. I don't hide anything from you guys because you are part of me now. You are my family, so I will always share everything with you guys. So guys, let's jump right into it guys. Oh my goodness, this is for us. So let's open it right now. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. You know, I can't wait to have my baby. This is my new baby. My new baby. Oh my goodness, guys, look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is my best color. All my phones, they are all gold, rose, you know. So guys, oh my goodness, I'm so in love with this. Oh my goodness, 250 gigabytes, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I love doing good things for myself, you know. I'm so happy doing this for myself, guys. You know, I love to get what I want for myself. By the time I don't get it, you just see my face looking sad, you know. But guys, I'm so happy. Anyway, you know, YouTube, you are doing a great job, you know. This month, I said, oh my goodness, I'm waiting for this money to arrive, you know, going into my Google Asset every time. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So gotten the pay. Oh my God, I just have to get this for myself, you know. YouTube, thank you so much. And for all my viewers, thank you so much, you know. And for those who also super chats me, oh my goodness, you guys are so amazing. Just look at this, okay? Just look at this. I'm so happy. Oh my God. So let's open it together. I don't feel like opening it. I don't feel like opening it, you know, but I have to. Before all this, my village people, they will say, you sure say I did there. I know that, you know. So wait. Oh my God, I don't. Hey. Oh my God. Look at me. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. It came with this, you know. This is really beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. I really love it. Yeah, I do love it. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm really happy to have this for myself. I cannot edit my video in peace. Yeah, cannot edit my video in peace. Okay, so right now I'm going to look for another strong application for myself, you know. So lots of people have been asking me what kind of application are you using to edit your video, because your video is so bright, you know. Anyway, I'm going to be putting down on a description box, you know. You can also use it if you want, you know. I always say in all my video that I'm a fair person, but I'm not so fair like this, okay, but I'm beautiful like this. You know. So that is it, guys. That is good. You guys are so amazing. I like doing this talking with you guys, you know. We have the chance to be doing this all the time. I will be very happy to continue gisting with you guys. Someone asked me on a comment section that, how old are you? Are you serious? How old are you and how many kids do you have? I've answered that before, you know. So if you go to my videos, you are going to see where I answer lots of messages from Instagram, you know. I've told you guys before that I have 4 kids by God's grace, you know. I'm a married woman. I'm married by God's grace, you know. But my age, I'm old enough, you know. I'm old enough, guys. But on a very good day, I'm going to be telling you that. I know it's going to shock a lot of people. You know, when I tell you my age, it's going to shock a lot of people. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. I know lots of people will be giving me high age and some will be giving me low one. Okay, you know. So, but don't worry, we are going to talk about that, and it's going to be a very full video, guys. It's going to be a very full video, guys, and don't be surprised. Okay, I know lots of you say, he is like this, is like that, you know. I don't want it to get me. So that is it, guys. You guys are so amazing. But most importantly, I'm so happy to have this for myself. Okay, I cannot sit down to edit my video, can take it to work, you know, when I'm at work, maybe during my break time, 4 o'clock. I do take break at 4 a.m. in the morning. You know, I work at night, so start my work by 12 o'clock, then finish by 8:30. Then I have my break at 4 a.m. So during that 4 a.m., during the 30 minutes break, if I'm not eating or gisting with my colleague, I can easily dive into my computer to edit my video for you guys. And you guys should continue sharing my video. It's very important. YouTube have been sending me message lately that I don't get enough share on my video no more. You know, you guys please continue sharing my video. It's very, very important to your baby girl. You know, now you know the word, you know the codes, you know, so always continue. Okay guys, that will be all for this video. We are going to continue our gist next time. Okay, anything you want me to talk about, put it on the comment section. Let's gist together. Okay, see you on my next video, and bye.